So if you've received a Visa gift card from Tremendous but you're not exactly sure how you can use it, then this video will help you out. So physical Visa cards can be used both in-store and online, and when paying in-store, you want to select credit instead of debit. Debit transactions may be declined. When paying online, select credit as the payment method and enter the 16-digit card number, expiration date and CVV like a normal credit card. Physical Visa cards can be used with any billing address. If you got a digital Visa card from Tremendous, then in that case you can only use it online, but you can use it the same way you would use a physical card online. Now any transaction you make must be equal to or less than the remaining balance on the card. If you want to make a purchase that's greater than your remaining balance, you need to ask the cashier if you can make a split transaction for the card's remaining balance. So that's how to use a Tremendous Visa gift card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.